In this guide, I'll show you how to fix DS4 Windows not detecting your controller. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. First, connect your controller directly to your PC using a USB cable. Once it's connected, check if DS4 Windows detects it. If it still doesn't, open DS4 Windows, go to Settings, then select Utils, and click Device Options. Make sure the correct controller is selected. If you make any changes, return to the Controllers tab and check whether your controller is now detected. If the problem continues, completely close DS4 Windows. Next, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Bluetooth and Devices, then click Devices. Scroll to the bottom and choose More Devices and Printer Settings. If you're using a different version of Windows, open the Control panel, select Hardware and Sound, and then click Devices and Printers to reach the same screen. Once you're there, look for your controller. If you don't see it, unplug the controller and plug it back into your PC. Wait a few seconds for Windows to recognize it. Then reopen DS4 Windows and check if your controller appears. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. If your controller is already listed but still isn't detected, right-click the controller and select Properties. Go to the Hardware tab, select HID Compliant Game Controller, and click Properties. Next, choose Change Settings, open the Driver tab, and click Uninstall Device. After uninstalling the driver, disconnect your controller and plug it back in. Windows will automatically reinstall the required driver. Wait a few moments for the installation to finish. Now, launch DS4 Windows again. Give it a few seconds to start, and check if your controller is detected. If necessary, click Start inside the application. If the issue still isn't resolved, restart your computer and try opening DS4 Windows one more time. A restart often helps Windows reload the controller drivers correctly. That's it. Your controller should now be detected and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.